Hey, I wasn't expecting you here right now, but the first time I fired up the Legion Tower 5i, I actually paused before even loading a game. Not because it was just powerful, it was smooth in a way I'd forgotten big rigs could feel. Before you go any deeper, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Desktop PCs like this don't stay easy to get or stable in price for long, and hesitation is exactly how people end up paying more later or watching units sell out. This isn't for someone who shrugs at frame dips or tells themselves it's fine when motion feels sluggish. This is for the kind of person who feels when performance isn't quite there, the tiny stutters, the slow load times, the moments when you know your machine could be doing better. I used to settle for setups that just got by, thinking that was normal, until the day I switched to this tower and everything finally stayed fluid. That sense of relief, where responsiveness aligns with intent and nothing feels like it's holding you back, that's an experience you don't unfeel. Once you've lived with that level of performance, anything weaker starts to feel like a compromise you shouldn't still be making. I've used this PC in every real scenario that matters, demanding AAA titles where every frame counts, creative workloads where rendering finally feels done instead of dragging, and multitasking sessions where dozens of tabs, apps, and tools feel confident instead of stretched thin. The Ultra 7265F and RTX 5070 don't just run content, they make it feel alive, fluid, and intentional. Nothing hesitates, nothing lags, and everything feels connected to your input instead of lagging behind it. That's not numbers on paper, that's the feeling of confidence every time you sit down. Take another glance at the current price and availability while you're thinking this through. Waiting for a better deal is exactly how people end up watching prices climb or missing out entirely. If you're hesitating at all, that's just your brain comparing this to gear you've grown used to. Once you experience responsiveness that stays sharp and clarity that doesn't waver under load, everything else starts to feel like something you once accepted, not something you truly want. One surprise I didn't expect was just how balanced every session felt, not just powerful, but composed. Fast motion looks natural, textures look polished, and workflows stay confident. Games stay fluid and responsive, visuals stay rich and detailed, workloads feel quick and steady, multitasking feels effortless and smooth. It makes lesser rigs feel outdated. It's absolutely a premium step up. You'll feel the difference every session at some point. You stop circling through comparisons and choose what already feels right in your gut. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and then regret every time you sit down and think, I wish this felt smoother and more powerful. Check the current price and make the choice that finally matches how you want to play, create, and perform.